What's up, everybody? This is John with John Fair Innovations, bringing you another math lesson. And so today I'm going to teach you how to solve a volume problem that also deals with percentages. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment on maybe another math topic you'd like me to tackle. And if you enjoy the video, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today, what we're dealing with is a cylinder can that has dimensions of a height of 10 centimeters and a radius of 4 centimeters, and it's currently at 75% full. And we want to know how much liquid is required for the can to be completely full. So like how much more would we need on top of that 75%? So if we look at the problem, what I like to do is I usually like to visualize these. So I like to sort of draw a little picture. So if you think of it as a little picture, what we want to do is we want to first draw a cylinder. So if we draw a little cylinder, it's a very bad drawing, but it'll do. And it just helps me visualize the problem. So we have our radius, which is our circle halfway across, which is 4 centimeters. And we've got our height, which is going to be 10 centimeters. And the liquid inside is about 75% full. So it might look something like this. Now, the first thing we're wanting to do is we're going to have to solve how much would be in the can at 100%. So what we need to do is we need to simply solve the volume. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve the volume of a cylinder. And the volume of the cylinder, the formula goes volume of a cylinder equals pi times the radius squared times the height, which is the same as saying pi times the radius times the height. In this case, we know that our radius is going to equal 4 and our height is going to equal 10. So we can write the equation as pi times 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 10 centimeters. And we can break this down. So 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 times 10 is 160, leaving us with pi times 160 centimeters cubed because we're dealing with volume. And that's going to then leave us with an answer of 502.4 centimeters cubed. So this value is the can at 100%. So 502.4 centimeters cubed is when the can is completely full. So if we think of it as completely full, we would think of it as 100%. And it's important to note that 1 milliliter is the same as 1 centimeter cubed. So 75% is how much we have. So 25% is what we would need to fill the remaining part. So that's the part that's empty, the 25%. So we want to calculate this 25%. And if you wanted to check how I got this, it's simply 100 minus 75, leaving us with 25. So 100% is full, 75% is what we have already so far, so leaving us with 25% remaining. Now, if we want to calculate this, all we simply do is we simply turn the 25% into a decimal. And how we do that is we simply divide 25 by 100. So 25 divided by 100 would leave us with 0.25. And now all that's left to remain is times our 502.4 centimeters cubed by 0.25, leaving us with a total of 125.6 centimeters cubed. And remembering that 1 milliliter is the same as 1 centimeter cubed, that's going to leave us with 125.6 milliliters. Well, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know any other math topics you'd like me to tackle. But always stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll see you next time.